Okay guys, I want to be showing you how you can contribute to a project that you have been added to collaborate in GitHub. So in this case, if you have been invited for a project so that you can collaborate in GitHub, you can go to that GitHub account, check the project that you have been invited to collaborate in. Check the project that you have been invited to collaborate in. After you have accepted your connection, you can go to the project, and then you're supposed to copy. You can copy this. This is the Git URL. So you are going to be cloning this project here. You are going to be cloning this project, so I can copy the URL there. Then I'm going to come here in my command here, and I'll say that git clone the URL, then I'll paste the URL here so that I can clone this project. Good, I've already cloned this project now. So after cloning this project, what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to navigate to that directory, that is this Java here. The project folder is here, so I'm supposed to navigate there. Java. Now what's the class name? A class project. I'm supposed to navigate to that project, to that navigation part there. Then this is where I can now write my codes. I can first of all create a branch where I'll be pushing out my codes. The command to create this branch is git checkout b. Then I'll give it a name. Let me call it database connection. That will be my branch name. Good. Okay, we have switched to a new branch, that is database connection. So I want to make changes to this connection. Let me first of all here come and create a file here. Let me call it test.java. Then this one I can say it's GitHub code test. Just that way. As you can see here, we have already switched to that GitHub branch name. So my VS Code here is connected with my GitHub username. So as you can see here, it has changed to the GitHub branch that you have already created. So from there, after you have made these changes, this is a demonstration. After I have made these changes, I want to stage all codes. For committing. So I proceed with the GitHub commit git add, and then I've stopped there to add all those changes. Then I'm going to write my commit message, git commit that then my commit message will be this is branch code push test. So, and I'm going to close there. Then this is the name that will appear. That is the name will appear with my GitHub, on my GitHub repo. I will be showing you there. Then from there, I'm going to git push origin. What is my name? Database connection. That's the name of my branch connection. So I want to push all these codes into GitHub now. Then I'm going to press enter. Good, and everything works on well. So if I proceed to the GitHub, if you go to the GitHub, you are going to see if a new branch has been added. You can see now the branches are 8. I'm going to check out the codes that are there. This is the one that you have created, database connection. Click on it. You are going to see the test.java that we created is here, and you can see that GitHub code test. This is what it is. You can see the commit message. This commit message should be descriptive of what you want. So probably if you have been told want to work on a particular task, you are supposed to strictly adhere to that, and you can give it a commit message that is going to be descriptive so that your team can be able to understand what has been done. That is simply how you can accept the invitation. You create your own branch and push your codes into GitHub. When you make other changes, you just add them you stage them for committing. For example, let me just add some other changes here. Added changes, just like that. So I'm going to stage them again here. Git add, I stage them again, and then I can give it another commit message. Git commit, and then you say I made changes. And then you can proceed to git push origin, our branch name, database connection. So if we come here, we can be able to find those changes have been made to GitHub. You can see add changes, that those changes have been made, and you can see the commit message has changed to I made changes. That is how simply you can accept an invitation and start collaborating with your team in GitHub. Also ensure that GitHub acts as a secure storage to store all your codes, all your project, so that even if your local machine breaks down, you can come and get all your codes there. That is it on GitHub.